Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best denture repair kit is probably one of the most essential items for anyone who wears dentures. Imagine the inconvenience and discomfort of a broken denture, especially at the most inopportune time. This video will guide you through the best denture repair kits available, helping you make an informed decision to keep your smile intact and your confidence high. We'll explore what makes a kit effective and easy to use. Number 5. M3 Naturals Retainer Cleanser Tablets. These extra-strength tablets are designed to restore clarity to your dental appliances. They effectively remove odors, discoloration, stains, and plaque, ensuring a fresh and clean experience. Each box contains 120 individually wrapped tablets, providing a complete cleansing solution. This product is laboratory tested to deliver optimal results, leaving your appliances spotless. The tablets are perfect for various appliances, including retainers, aligners, and mouth guards. It works effectively on night guards, snore guards, and TMJ devices, ensuring comprehensive cleaning. Simply drop a tablet into warm tap water with your appliance. The extra-strength cleanser works quickly, restoring your appliance in just minutes. Daily soaking is recommended for best results. M3 Naturals products are quality tested in the USA with the highest standards. This product contains natural ingredients and other ingredients, ensuring a reliable and effective cleaning solution. What we like. This product is designed to remove stains and odors, ensuring your dental appliances are fresh and clean. It provides a complete cleansing solution, restoring clarity to your retainers or dentures. If you are looking for a convenient and effective way to maintain your dental appliances, you should consider this. What people say. Dissolves quickly and fully. Cleans great with no bad taste or smell. They are so easy to use, every morning. I have her fill a glass with warm water, dissolve a tablet in it and then add her mouthpieces in it. Most of the time by lunchtime they are cleaned without any scrubbing needed. Sometimes we will wait for the blue water to turn clear again and then take them out, give it a little rub for a couple seconds and they are like new. Number 4. Dentemp Repair Advanced Denture Repair Kit. Accidents happen, and dentures can break. But don't worry, this kit is designed to help. It provides a quick and effective solution for denture emergencies. This advanced formula is specifically made to repair breaks in your dentures. It's a reliable way to get you back to normal. Loose teeth can be a real hassle. With this kit, you can secure them quickly. It's a convenient way to maintain your smile. Cracks can weaken your dentures. This kit helps mend those cracks, preventing further damage. It's easy to use and provides a strong bond. You can use it safely and easily, wherever you are. It's a convenient solution for denture repair, providing peace of mind. What we like. This kit is your go-to solution for fixing breaks and replacing loose teeth, offering a safe and easy-to-use experience. It allows you to mend cracks and restore your dentures quickly. If you have a broken denture and need a quick fix, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Strong hold, easy to follow instructions. 3 weeks running now and it steals rock solid, been eaten normal, not been trying to be gentle on my denture, no cracks, no problems. Stuff is super easy to use and absolutely works great, very highly recommend this stuff. My husband cracked his upper dentures, this works very well. Number 3. Dentemp Repair-it and Reline-it Denture Kit. Are your dentures causing you trouble? This multi-pack has everything you need to fix breaks and replace loose teeth in minutes. It's easy to use and a must-have for anyone with dentures. Don't let a broken denture ruin your day. This kit permanently repairs chipped, fractured, or broken dentures, and even lost teeth. It's strong enough to eat on in just an hour, providing a quick fix when you need it most. Feel like your dentures aren't fitting right? This reliner makes them fit like new. Over time, dentures can become loose, but this provides stability and comfort, eliminating the need for adhesives. Need a quick fix for your dentures? This kit is for emergency repairs only. It's not for caps, crowns, or fillings, but it will provide you with long-lasting comfort and fit. It is also great for cleaning your retainers, dentures, braces, or other orthodontic appliances. Dentemp is committed to providing safe, high-quality dental care products. They have confidence in their products and strive to deliver the best customer experience. For all your denture and oral care needs, trust Dentemp. What we like. This multi-pack offers both repair and relining capabilities, addressing a wide range of denture issues. It permanently repairs broken dentures and loose teeth, ensuring a secure fit. If you like a comprehensive solution for denture maintenance, this product is ideal for you. What people say. Works excellent. Do follow instructions to the T and this will repair broken dentures permanently. I followed the instructions and glued my denture which was cracked right down the middle. That I then mixed the relining substance and used that and it did a first-rate job on my plate. I'm really happy with the result. That I recommend this kit. It's spot on. Number 2. PERK Denture Repair Kit with 28 teeth. Are your dentures broken or missing teeth? This emergency repair kit is designed for quick fixes. It's a temporary solution until you can see a dentist. This kit allows you to repair your dentures at home. It's a convenient way to address issues without an immediate dental visit. The kit includes denture teeth in random sizes and shades. You can use these to replace missing teeth in your dentures. Need a different size or shade? The teeth can be exchanged. This provides flexibility for a better match to your existing dentures. This DIY kit provides everything you need for denture repair. It's a practical solution for fixing broken dentures or replacing lost teeth. What we like. This kit provides an emergency solution for broken dentures, including replacement teeth. It allows for DIY repairs at home, offering convenience and immediate action. If you are looking for a quick fix that includes replacement teeth, this is the one for you. What people say. I repaired a tooth on my top denture that has been repaired previous by my dentist. Obviously they did a crappy job, so while during COVID I bought this product and repaired the tooth myself. It is very strong and has lasted several months now. It was easy to work with the materials and it came out to where you wouldn't be able to pick out what to side replaced. It's an absolute must if you're missing a 200 denture or you need to repair cracks or chips in your dentures. The teeth seem of high quality. I repaired my upper denture 2 months ago and you're still no problems. It's holding like a champ. It is so easy to use. The teeth are well made and look good. Within 30 minutes it was fixed and I was ready to do. Number 1. Dentemp Reline-it Denture Reliner Kit. Do your dentures feel loose? Over time, dentures can become less secure. This kit offers a solution to refit and tighten them, providing a better fit without relying on thick adhesives. This advanced formula kit includes everything you need. It's easy to use and a must-have for denture wearers. It works great for temporary use, helping you smile with confidence and making your teeth look natural. This reliner is designed for both upper and lower dentures. It provides a custom fit, making loose dentures feel like new. It ensures a snug and secure fit, offering long-lasting comfort. The process is simple: clean and dry your dentures. Mix the powder and liquid after chilling. Then, place the denture in your mouth and bite down for a few minutes. You may feel a slight tingling sensation, but the result is a better fit. If you can't get to the dentist, this is a great option. This kit provides a temporary solution to refit your dentures. It includes everything necessary for 2 soft relines, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit. What we like. This product is designed to tighten loose dentures, providing a custom fit for enhanced comfort. It uses an easy-to-use formula, ensuring a snug and secure fit. If you are experiencing loose dentures and need a temporary solution, you should consider this. What people say. It's perfect for tightening up a loose fit in between dental appointments. The instructions are very clear and easy to follow. The result is a soft, snug liner that makes a world of difference in comfort and stability. Being able to eat and talk with confidence without worrying about my dentures slipping is priceless. This kit is incredibly affordable and provides a reliable temporary fix. I always make sure to have a box of this on hand. It's a fantastic product that really works. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.